I'm going to show you how to download the FairCom DB product and to run it on your machine. First, you're going to go to the FairCom.com in your favorite browser. Once you're on the main landing page, you're going to see this blue button at the top. You're going to see the drop down, and you're going to click whichever product you'd like to download the trial version of. Today, we're just going to download FairCom DB. Once we're at the downloads landing page, you're going to pre-fill in this information. Once you fill that all in, you're going to click Download Now, which is going to jump you over to this page. Once you're in this download section, you're going to choose whichever download works for your machine. Currently, I'm running a Windows machine, so I have already downloaded this Windows product and put it on my desktop. Once the download is extracted, we're going to jump inside of that folder. Here, you're going to see several different folders, including a config folder, where you can change port settings and so forth. But currently, just to get the server running, we're going to jump inside the server folder. Once here, the easiest way to get this server started is to double-click the FairCom executable. Once you double-click, we can even see it's running by opening up the FairCom icon. You can see here the DB server is currently running, and you can even see the status of your server. To access the GUI tools, what we're going to need you to do is open up a new tab within your favorite browser and go to your local host or wherever your FairCom DB is running and go to port 8443. Once there, you're going to see the main landing page for your server. And just like that, it's that easy to get your FairCom server up and started on your Windows machine. Thank you.